Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Good afternoon today. After we got rid of some of the low clouds this morning, not only at the coast but inland here, folks got a real nice shot of a beautiful afternoon. In fact, our own weekend and fill-in meteorologist Marissa Walzen took this shot. Let's go out to it. Top of Spencer Butte. First time she said she had hiked the Butte and did pretty well. She had her sidekick, Little Gunner, with her as well. Cute little fella. But anyway, they had a beautiful, beautiful shot there. I had to stretch it out just a bit. One of those nice little panoramic shots you can do on the old new iPhones there. But still a little bit of snow on top of the peaks as you get in towards the Central Cascades. But otherwise, it was a gorgeous day today. Allergies, though, woo, yeah, they are very high. 6:30 tonight, I'll show you what the pollen count is. Not as bad as what it was just a couple of days ago when we were around 700, but still pretty high for this time of year. So here's what we've got. High pressure aloft just offshore, continuing to keep just a little bit of cumulus cloud cover, and you can see that's just kind of falling apart offshore. Otherwise, most of the action is back off to the east of us. Upper level low continues to generate some showers across Montana and also a chance for some strong severe weather out into the Dakotas. Now, check this out. Remember last month we were talking about the record dry stretch from January to April, right? Well, we've just added to that. Even though we picked up 2 inches or just over that of rain for the month of May, that still puts us as an all-time record dry stretch from the beginning of the year through the end of May, only at about 37% of average where we should have this time of year. It's about 25 inches or so, and you can see that beats 2001's record of 8.83 inches. So boy, oh boy. No rain in the bucket today either. 76 was our high today. Overnight lows sit in the mid-40s. Nice and comfortable, good sleeping weather, as I mentioned. Across the state, we had some strong temperatures out there in spots. 88 in Medford, 90 down in Brookings, 81 the Dow, 75 in Portland, upper 50s at Newport, and around mid to upper 60s, or 70s that is, as you get into the inland valleys here. Same thing, we're still looking right around 75 to 78 degrees. The coast is cooling off just a bit, but we'll also keep high pressure in control over the next 3 to 4 days. And so, again, that generally means a good brisk northerly wind, get a little breezy in the afternoon, kicking the pollen up, but it also will push the marine layer back for at least a couple of days. Now, as we transition towards Wednesday night and Thursday, we'll see a little weak disturbance pull that marine layer back on shore, likely lead to some morning cloud cover for everybody on Thursday, but otherwise that's about it. In fact, we'll actually see the warm air that's starting to bubble up from California move into the state, and that'll put us in about a 3 to 5 day stretch of some 80s across the board and some very, very warm temperatures down in the Umpqua as well. And in fact, all the fans headed into town in Hayward for the NCAA Track and Field Championships should see sunny and dry weather as well. Certainly better than last year at the Olympic trials when it was just a downpour for about 3 or 4 days. So we'll see temperatures in the low to mid 60s at the coast, upper 50s around Newport and Lincoln City. Nice sunny afternoon, a little bit of patchy fog each morning. Thursday could catch a little more cloud cover throughout the day, but then as we get to Friday and Saturday, we'll be back into the mid 60s. In the Umpqua Basin, a warm one tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. And we're likely going to stay quite warm as well as we head in towards Wednesday's forecast. Tad cooler with the morning clouds on Thursday, but then it's back up quickly into the mid and upper 80s for the weekend. Cascades, sunny and warm temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Freezing levels of 14,000 feet. Bend and Redmond, sunny and warm with the highs around 80 for tomorrow. Then staying in the 80s, a very, very mild forecast for Central Oregon. And sunny and warm in the valley tomorrow will be in the low, probably will stay low 80s next couple of days. Tad cooler Thursday, a couple of morning fog days Thursday, Friday, but still a very, very dry forecast for the beginning of June here. As we said, guys, we picked up 2 inches of rain last month. Still not enough. We're about still close to 15 inches under for the year.
It's kind of hard to believe that this is the driest start to the new year that we've ever, I say new year.
Yeah,
it's the driest start to the year that we've ever had,
That's incredible.
especially after last week's rain.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Justin.
You bet.